Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start at the Nintendo Switch Home menu and pause on the software icon you want removed. Check your user account for saved data and cloud backup status before deleting. Open System Settings and navigate to Data Management to view Manage Software. Confirm whether you bought the game or downloaded a free demo or trial before proceeding. Be aware that deleting software does not always delete saved data automatically. Prepare an SD card backup if you plan to remove the software completely. From the Home menu, highlight the app and press the X button to open options. Choose Manage Software from the context menu and then select Delete Software. The console will prompt to confirm removal and show storage freed in megabytes or gigabytes. Confirm the deletion to remove the application from internal storage immediately. Remember that this action removes the program files but may not remove saved data. If prompted, select Delete Saved Data separately if you also want to remove game progress. If the software resides on a micro SD card, check System Settings then Data Management for micro SD options. Use Manage Software to move or delete titles stored on micro SD or to format only if necessary. You can re-download any purchased software from the Nintendo eShop without repurchasing after deletion. For shared consoles, ensure parental controls and account transfers are handled before deleting family software. Finally, if you need to free significant space, consider deleting unused demos.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.